It's a room tour because obviously I'm in my dorm, right? But then it's an apartment tour because I stay alone and it's kind of like modeled differently from the average dorm room. Alright guys, so this is your entryway, and then if you pan to the side, this is how it goes. Alright, so let's start from here. So there's this trash thing here. Focus. Alright, there we go. So I met this bed frame in this room, so I decided not to get rid of it, but I decided to turn it so I could get like a platform type of situation going on here, which I'm really excited about because I get to like prepare stuff on there. And then I have these two cupboard thingies going on here. Now we're not allowed to have like refrigerator or like just, you know, the good stuff around here. So, and I still need storage, all that stuff, especially stuff that I would want a lot of air to get on them, so I would keep them here. And you know, I just want to keep like food and I'm not sure what else, but basically yeah, I just want to keep food here and have this place looking like my mini kitchen area, you know, excuse that plier there. So over here we basically just have two chairs, different colors, different forms, everything is just different and unusual. But this is like going to be my mini, you know, like sitting room area. And don't even come for me because I know you're gonna be like, huh? But yeah, it's just, I figured since the chairs are like of different colors, the scheming will be different. I didn't want to put it in the bedroom area, and there was just empty space here, so I decided to keep the chairs here for now. I just want to see how it looks, but basically that's the plan, to have this area here as my sitting room area. So moving across this way, we have two wardrobes here. They are basically, not basically, they're all empty. You get my point, they're all empty, like all, and I'm still not sure what to put in either of them. Alright, so I met this guy here when I got here. I'm taking that out because I have no need for that, so I'll probably take that out and put another of this one here to have like a long type of dresser space kind of thing. And then this mirror is obviously broken, so I'll get a new one. I'll probably keep this one still, but I'll get a new mirror. And this is the window right here. I'm on the topmost floor, so yeah. So I like get the most lights and all that bullshit stuff. This is just like a random chair in the corner. I don't know, I didn't want to get rid of it because I didn't want to be moving this study chair, so I wanted to have like a spare one just in case, so this one never moves. So this is going to be my mini study area. It has like the up for where I can keep my books and stuff, so I just want this place to be a unit, so this never has to leave, this never has to leave. There's lights so I can read whenever. There's another window, and then there's the bed. I like this mattress because it's not dainty and it's actually soft but strong, if you get what I'm saying. So there's this thing on the there's a thing on the floor here, but I'm not sure if I'm still going to have it here. It's supposed to be like a floor mat type of thing, but I'm not super sure about that right now. Then I'm going to get under bed drawers. There's just one there, but I'm going to get like two more where I can put like water, because I tend to drink a lot of water and I need it to be like super accessible to me. So I'll just keep it like under the bed so I can always grab one on the go. So showing my view. I hate this window. But anyways, okay, let me just show you the view from the window. So this roof right here is like the roof covering like our central area, and then if you see that tiny piece there, that's like another wing entirely. And then this building right opposite me is another wing. I mean the A wing, and that's the B wing. And then you see all the way down, and down there, that's the laundry area. That's where I have to go to fetch water every day. And then when the topmost floor, I just look 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's us. And I have to go all the way down there to get water almost every morning. But yeah, I guess that's the price for natural lighting. And then I don't know if you can see, but there's like this forest type of situation going on right over there, and the camera's not really getting it, but you can see like part of the school further. This is a really big school, by the way. I can just like part of the school going further there, and then it's like trees and all that bushy stuff right here. It's not picking it, but there's like a lot of harmattan just hovering around. Last night was so cold, it was so terrible. So basically I'm getting rid of this kabushka because I don't like it, and there's another piece of broken mirror. It seems to attract broken mirrors a lot. So basically that's it. This is another storage space. I'm still not sure how to move or divide all these things. I'm planning on keeping like cleaning and like water stuff here, because the water doesn't run in the bathrooms. Like I told you guys, I have to go downstairs to fetch, so I have to like fetch and store. So I think I'm going to be storing them in this place. Then I'll probably keep clothes in one. I'm still not sure, but I'll have to move in first, kind of figure out all that bougie stuff out. This mirror is so dusty, as you can tell. But yeah, so dusty as you can tell. But yeah, basically I might even keep this mirror, I'm still not sure. I mean, the broken mirrors are luckier than all before. So basically that is my tour. Sorry about the flash. The room's pretty dark, that's why I had the flash on. So basically that's it. There's also 2 windows here and here, windows that shall never be opened, and there's light here, there's light there. I don't know what to do with the walls, because fun fact, we're not allowed to bring we're not allowed to bring like things like microwave. We're not allowed to bring coffee maker, boiling ring. I think the only electronic we're allowed to bring is the pressing iron. So I kind of use the pressing iron for like various things, and I'll make a full video on that because it's some pretty late stuff. Okay, so I only use the pressing iron, but I kind of like multitask it. So yeah, so we're not allowed to bring a lot of things, and in school they don't have very decorative pieces, they don't have very staple pieces, and the ones they do are really expensive. They're like probably 35,000 and things like that. I usually like the lecturers who end up getting them, or really bougie students, and I don't have, that's not like even within my budget. So I'm going to try to make the most out of this room because I like this space. I like the fact that it's just me here. I like the fact that it's amazing window light and I don't have to struggle, and I just like the fact that I'm alone here and I can have like my zen and there's Wi-Fi. So yes, I'm going to be uploading a lot and just basically going to be on Instagram more, which is a win-win. So yes, so we're not going to be allowed to bring, I'm not allowed to bring a lot of things. So I don't even know how the wall art is going to be. I really don't know how this room is going to turn out, but I'm just being hopeful at this point because anything can happen. So yeah, but I'm excited to move in. I just did a room tour of my current room now before I leave, so you guys can know what this room was originally supposed to look like. Because the room I'm leaving now and this room are supposed to be in the same format. They are all 4-bedded abad hostels. They're all 4-bedded abad hostels, but I remodeled this one to kind of just fit my style with what I had to work with what I have. So I'll probably come here to clean, because as you could tell during the video, a lot of the places are very dusty. So I'll probably come here to clean before I eventually move in. But I should move in hopefully by the grace of God by the end of this week. And today is Tuesday, so I should be in here by Friday, Saturday. So my lips are dry. Oh. I should be in here by Friday, Saturday type of thing. So I'll clean this and I'll just put my stuff there together, so it's going to be very easy for me to move. And I might also film a moving in video, so that's going to be a whole separate stuff, so y'all should check that out too. So I guess that's it for this room tour / apartment tour. I mean, it's a room tour because obviously I'm in my dorm, right? But then it's an apartment tour because I stay alone, and it's kind of modeled differently from the average dorm room. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in take two. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my moving vlog. I will do a proper room tour when I'm all moved in. But I'm Funyiadiah just in case I didn't say that at the beginning of this video. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you want to, of course. That's not possible, but I hope you do. So you can come back